turn your page. Go stroll for the rest of the day. Alright, we're all set now. The official starter in position. Keep an eye on Uncle Bill. Hey, they're up and racing. You've got to get there with the plate and everything intact. Oh, there's a few non-finishes there. Oh, fantastic. Well run, gentlemen. The training's paid off. Incredible amount of balance there going by the group. Bragging rights to our winner here this afternoon. I might see if I can just grab our winner here really quickly. He's making his way back. Congratulations. What's your name? Jason, I'm the brother. Oh, so that's it. You've been going big throwing competition. Now there's no age group on this one, but you do need 2 members in your team, obviously. So you need to have 2 people in your competition. It's an open class, so it is open to everyone. You're going to start with 1 egg. You only get 1 egg. The objective is to be able to throw it to your teammate and catch it without it breaking. I will give you the heads up. They're raw eggs. If this is something you want to be part of, and you should be, this is fantastic. Look at this. Looks like father and daughter coming out here. Oh, look, what a great opportunity. Yeah, there we go. There's the winners right there, as far as I'm concerned. Father and daughter's coming out. Open names, we can have everybody out. So I'm just going to quickly. Alright, it's all set. It's in our starter's hand. It's the F1 of the sack race, and it's the female open sack race. They're often jumping down the line. We've got a clear winner. She doesn't even have her hands on the sack. Oh, miles in front there. Congratulations. Oh, I stumbled at the end. It didn't matter. She'd already crossed the finish line. Once again, lots of smiles out here on the field. That's what it's all about. We're all having some fun. Congratulations to our sack race competitors. No broken bones is what we like to see. Lots of smiles, everyone's having a giggle.
Tones of Brown from Werribee Pony Club, and Samika takes the win from Annie. But nicely ride there, nice beautiful ride by all the riders. We've got Tilly going down the arena, our last rider. This is Tilly from Landsfield Pony Club. Guys have been going all day. They started the day doing individual races, moved on to pairs during the middle of the day, and now they're doing teams. Looking for the pickup, that's what counts. Great pickup by Tommy. He's wearing the yellow and the black. Great pickup by him, as is Clara in the maroon. Oh, fantastic put down by Clara and Tamika. Unlucky for Tom. All riders going amazing. They're going great here. We've got Ebony in lane 1. Tegan in lane 3.
Right here. back. Sorry, dude, I'm going to use it. We need to take a photo of it and send it to Richie. Go, can we get this in the workshop for like 4 weeks?
Actually, I like those little ones.
They were really good.
I got one. I got a little ball.
Yes, because I got